How you doing, guys? Chris at Dentless Touch. We're here at Patriot Auto Detailing, and we're going to do a quick repair. Haven't posted a repair in a long time. This one is on a Chrysler 300C, a dent in the fender and a dent in the door. So let's get started. Not too bad. I'm gonna take a look at it. Two high spots, 1, 2, and then the crease. Probably something hit it kind of sideswipe, and I don't really know why the high spots are there. Maybe something behind it, but you can definitely knock it down. So there's not something directly behind it pushing it out or continuing to push it out. Maybe the door flexed to a certain degree where the 3 high spots is now shown. So let's get started with it. Let me show you the fender here. There's the dent on the fender. Nothing too crazy, but this one is even more of an eyesore than the door. It affected the body line. So we're going to go ahead and get this squared away. He's getting a ceramic pro coating, I believe the bronze package. So let's get started. I gotta take my cigarettes out my ear. You know, someone commented that? No. I didn't know what he was talking about at first, because he said it looks like you got cigarettes in your ear, and I said, what is he talking about? AirPods. Trim molding it is normally a brace right behind that. Sometimes. So, and I can just feel that there's a brace about 1 inch above the dent, and so I'm using that brace to slide through and leverage off of with a whale tail. If I use a hook tool, I'm going to have to come up underneath the brace, which is going to allow some pressure against that tool and the brace, and it may not give me the leverage that I need. So this is why this tool was the first to go to, and it seems to be the best option right now. So I got plenty of leverage. Alright, so some of the challenges that I ran across with this repair is because it's lower in the door, I just could not get a good line of sight. So that's why you kind of see me struggling back and forth. When you work in a crease, the crease went horizontal, so I always like to look obviously vertical down the crease, parallel with the crease, and then finish it up looking down the side of the car like always. So that's what you see me kind of jumping back and forth. That's why you see me doing that. So the tool of choice that I'm going to use for this repair, before I even get started, this is my selection, is the Ultra SRT8 It's the 24-inch double bend. I'm actually trying out Edgy Tools' new tip, and it's just a ball tip. And it has different colored caps. I'm just using the black one. I've noticed that the cap doesn't fall off as easy as the Ultra Dent tools, even though Ultra has a new version that actually has a lip to it. So, but definitely trying out. What I do notice also, if you can see that, it is actually a 1/2 inch. So it doesn't seem like this will go into a 1/2 inch hole. So just be mindful of that. That's the only thing, the only negative on this tip. So it may be better to use on a knockdown. So let's get started. Alright guys, that was the absolute first dent of the New Year's, and I'm not gonna lie, I struggled a little bit being off for 4 days. We'll do that to you. I want to thank everybody for watching. Happy New Year's to everybody, and we have a couple more review videos coming out, so stay tuned. Thanks for the support. Make sure you like and subscribe if you can, and we'll see you on the next video, guys. Peace.